Hi, welcome to my channel Shopzon. Are you looking for best top products on Amazon? Here will top products review on Amazon. Let's start best review on YouTube. Number 5. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer, independent dual extruder 3D printer with all metal direct drive 32-bit silent motherboard auto leveling, larger build volume 300x 400 mm. About this item, IDEX 3D printer with 4 different printing modes. Sovol SV04 3D printer is equipped with independent dual direct drive metal extruders that allow you to print 2 different colors, 2 different materials and 2 models simultaneously in the same or opposite direction. Better able to produce high-quality prints with a variety of materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PC, PA, wood, ASA, and PVA. More space for creativity. Please download the latest firmware for SV04 from the official website of Sovol before starting. Sovol SV04 size, 300x 400 mm larger volume than SV01/SV02. Modular design for quick assembly allows for faster start. Auto leveling and 32-bit TMC2209 silent board. The automatic leveling sensor on the SV04 makes adjustments to ensure that the bed and nozzle are at an optimal distance throughout the printing process, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. If you have any bed leveling issues, please refer to the user guide and leveling guide video on this product page. Upgraded 32-bit TMC2209 silent board, up to 7 additional drivers, more functions, more stable, super quiet. Flexible spring steel plate and 500W power supply. The flexible magnetic building plate ensures that your prints grips well to avoid deformation and failed prints. You can peel off the prints without tools, just bend the plate and remove your prints. Built-in 500W branded power supply ensures stable and sufficient performance, fast heat hotbed and nozzle. It protects SV04 from unexpected power surges. Fully upgraded 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen. The upgraded LCD touchscreen from Sovol has an excellent day/night mode and 1-button control. The SV04 touchscreen can be set to automatically replace the filament without printing pause. All modes are clear and easy to use. Double filament detector reminds you to replace filament, no more worrying about long time printing. Number 4. Official Creality Ender 3S1 3D printer with direct drive extruder CR touch auto leveling high precision double Z-axis screw silent board printing size 8.6x 8.6x 10.6 in. Upgrade Ender 3V2 for beginners. About this item, dual gear direct drive extruder, compatible with more filaments. Ender 3S1 3D printer can print PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS. Etc. It is more lighter and features less inertia and more precise positioning. Upgraded dual gear direct extruder features 2 chrome steel gears that are engaged at a 1:3.5 gear ratio. With a pushing force of up to 80 N, the extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping and works extremely well in printing flexible filaments such as TPU. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use, the intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the heat bed. Removable spring steel print sheet. Different from Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3 V2, this new released FDM 3D printer comes with a removable PC spring steel platform. The innovative printing platform is a combination of a PC coating, a spring steel sheet and a magnetic sticker, which sticks to the surface immediately when released. The PC coating brings good adhesion and printed models can easily be removed by bending the print sheet. Higher printing precision and easy to install. With a Z-axis dual screw plus Z-axis dual motor design, Ender 3S1 works smoother and more synchronously to lower the possibility of lines and ridges on the sides of your print, thus improving printing quality. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer with CR Touch Auto Leveling Kit PC Spring Steel Platform Full Metal Extruder, 95% pre-installed 3D printers with resume printing and model preview function. About this item, easy assembly. Compared to Ender 3v2, this Ender 3v2 Neo printer is pre-installed, and the assembly requires only 3 steps. Friendly enough to users and beginners in assembly process, which will save much time. It is convenient for customers to install it in quick way, more efficient. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you in the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use, the intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the hot bed. It saves much more time for customers in long time leveling adjustment. Quickly finish the leveling process. Brand new 4.3-inch UI user interface. The upgraded UI adds a model preview function, making it easier to observe the printing shape and progress for customers, which is convenient for you to know about the model status. Also, it supports 9 languages for different customers' demand. PC Spring Steel Magnetic Build Plate. Different from Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3v2, this new released FDM 3D printer comes with a removable PC Spring Steel Magnetic Build Plate. The innovative printing platform is a combination of a PC coating, a spring steel sheet and a magnetic sticker, which sticks to the surface immediately when released. The PC coating brings good adhesion for filament, and the finished models can be easily removed by bending the print sheet. Silent Motherboard. The mainboard is 4.2.2 version, but it is silent mainboard, which is different from Ender 3 mainboard. This Ender 3v2 Neo equipped with self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation, create a quiet environment. The extruder is upgraded to number 2. Official Creality Ender 3 Neo 3D printer with CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling Kit Full Metal Extruder Carborundum Glass Printing Platform with Resume Printing Function Silent Mainboard 8.66x 8.66x 9.84 inch. About this item, CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you in the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use. The intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the hot bed. It saves much more time for customers in long time leveling adjustment. Quickly finish the leveling process. Silent mainboard. Low decibel operation ensured by a silent mainboard, will not bothering study or work. Which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. Create a quiet environment. Smooth feeding. Full metal extruder with greater force enables smooth feeding, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. Quick heat dissipation. Corrugated heat sink enlarges the radiating area, enabling fast cooling down. Durable glass build surface. Carborundum glass build surface effectively reduces the warping issue with even heating. The coating brings good adhesion for filament, and the finished models can be easily removed by bending the print sheet. Resume printing function. Ender 3 Neo can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. What you get: Creality Ender 3 Neo 3D printer, lifetime technical assistance and 24 hours professional customer service. Number 1. Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer, large build size 11.8L, x 11.8W, x 15.7H, 90% pre-assembled, silent motherboard, FDM 3D printers for DIY home and school printing. About this item, 90% pre-assembled, stable triangular structure. The upgraded longer LK5 Pro 3D large scale printer is 90% pre-assembled with a maximum build size of 11.8 11.8 15.7. Coupled with the reinforced design of the inclined rod, a stable triangular structure is formed, which effectively reduces vibration and achieves more stable printing. Resume printing function. Longer's upgraded LK5 Pro 3D printer can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position in the event of an unexpected power outage or after running out of consumables. Plus, the sensor pauses printing and alerts you when supplies run out, saving you time and waste. Upgraded Dual Blower Kit. LK5 Pro upgraded 3D printer is equipped with a dual blower kit, which allows the extruded filaments to cool and shape quickly, giving you better print quality. Low noise and lattice glass platform. Using the TMC2208 chip driver on the X, Y, and Z axis, printing is very quiet. This reduces the noise during printing and makes the stepper motor more stable. The LK5 Pro 3D printer is also equipped with a silicon carbide glass platform with a microporous structure that provides stronger adhesion during printing, allowing models to be removed intact after completion. Provide more functions. Silent open source LK5 Pro motherboard. You can try your whimsy on LK5 Pro by changing the G code. Auto leveling can be used using the BL Touch. BL Touch is not included in the package, and it's 32-bit motherboard. The LK5 Pro 3D printer also features a heat-resistant feed tube made of Teflon, allowing the filament to be fed at higher temperatures, reducing clogging and